How to download music on Spotify. If you're looking to listen to your favorite songs offline, today's tutorial will show you exactly how to download music on Spotify. Whether you have a free account or a premium subscription, I'll walk you through the process, so let's dive right in. First, open the Spotify app on your device. You can download the app on your phone, or also you can use the desktop version, and make sure you're logged into your account. Before we get started, keep in mind that downloading music is only available with Spotify Premium. So, if you're using a free account, you'll need to upgrade to Spotify Premium to download music for offline listening. Now, find the music you want to download. You can search for your favorite songs, albums, playlists, or podcast. Once you've got your content ready, simply tap on three dots at the top. Here, if you have Spotify Premium, you'll find an option that says download button. It will appear as a toggle switch or an arrow pointing down, usually near to the top of the album or playlist page. Once you tap it, the download will begin and you will know it's downloaded when the icon changes to a green arrow, which means the music is now offline available. And that's it. That's how you can simply download music on Spotify.